What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a technical analysis look on Amazon. So, a lot of stocks look tired. They don't look like they're going lower, right? It doesn't look like, Amazon's going from 134 down to 100. Anything is possible, but we still have stacked moving averages, 5 days over the 10, 10 is over the 20, 20 over the 50, so forth and so forth. I really wouldn't be too concerned on Amazon going or making a new leg down until it loses 115. Then maybe we can think about some moves, extended moves to the downside. With that being said, it just looked like stocks are tired going into a distribution. So if we kind of look at the past 3 days here, price action goes up, comes back down, goes back up, pretty much finishes in the middle of the range. Last 3 trading days are here. Let me kind of zoom in a little bit so we can see this a little bit better. So you can see here currently the ranges is starting to contract, so price action is going to get a lot more small, right? So instead of Amazon having a 3 to 5 day, up day, it might put in a dollar down, dollar up, $1.50 up, $1.50 down. Hope that kind of makes sense. So we're stuck in between the 150-day simple moving average as well as this linear regression channel 50 line here. So this is a channel line that we kind of gapped over here on earnings. If we kind of look at this low price here of 132, this is going to be support. So depending on where Amazon in the overall market opens in the morning, if we do open flat and we start to lose, okay, 133.45, you're going to have a little bit of room down to 131 and some change, 132. So there will be a potential scalp, that opportunity that you can take here to make some money short term. Again, this is a scalp, this is a day trade. If you're not a day trader, then these levels are not for you. This is just for day traders. But if we kind of look at this 133, 40, 133.30, all the way down here to the support of around 132, you got about a dollar and a half worth of room. And that's more than enough money, depending on your position sizing, to make a decent, little paycheck there. Now, anything below that 132, next support is going to be the rising 5-day moving average, and that current price is sitting at 129.50. So anything below 132 has potential to 129.50. So the way you can kind of play it is, if we do take out 133, you can hold this position, take profits here at 131, and then if we do break below, you can take your next set of profits running into this 5-day moving average. Now to the top side, what are we looking at here? To the top side, what we need to do is at least test 129, or we at least need to test 132, and then we need to bounce. So what we do need is some kind of washout or another pullback, right? And once we get that pullback and we do bounce off that support, then we can take the following day's price action over the previous day's high and try to go back long with an intention of targeting back up towards 138. Now, if the market does decide to turn around tomorrow, let's say we gap down or we open up closer to 132 and then we bounce, the next top side break is obviously over 138.72, 138.60s, right? Once we get over here and we close, so as soon as price action closes anywhere over this supply zone here, then we're in another channel with a potential up to 146. That's your next macro trade to the long side, okay? So right now what we're playing is into support, into support, into support to the downside, and then what we want to see is a bounce and recovery. Once we can bounce and recover and start taking out a previous day's high, then we can get back in long and use that kind of support zone as our stop loss. So for example, if we get back over a previous day high here, or 2 previous days worth of highs, and we put in a nice run up, and let's say, for example, you take half of your position size off, take some profits, and then we start to roll over again. When we lose that, you can kind of just stop out at break even to kind of protect those gains and protect your capital. I hope that kind of makes sense. If you guys are seriously interested in learning about day trading, especially options, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys are looking for a free strategy, one of the strategies that I use on a day in and day out basis is linked down below. That is also for free. And if you guys want access to everything, my mentorship, coaching, my watch list, my 2 video courses, and to be able to chat live with myself and over 50 traders that are trading each and every single day. Join evolutiontraders.com, become a gold lifetime member. I'll get you guys all set up and squared away, work with you guys to the best that I can. Also, just kind of a tidbit side note here, I only take on like 2 to 3 students each and every single month. Only reason being for that is it's to better help serve each of the people coming in the room. I don't want to open it up and take, you know, hundreds and hundreds of people. I won't be able to just work with everyone. I need to get everyone on the same page and working together and understanding the technicals and get you guys profitable and understanding how to become profitable before I move on to the next, you know, kind of wave of clients. So with that being said, I will see you guys all on the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all of you new members that are thinking about or interested in and do join, I will see you guys in the Discord tomorrow.